Hi guys, Mark Anthony here with another money making video, and today we'll be looking at how you can make money just doing voice overs. There's quite a lot of work out there for different aspects of voiceovers, so if you're blessed with a clear and controlled voice, which I don't really have, but then why not make some money doing voice over work? And you can make between probably about $30 to $300 just for a short voice over. This could be for something like animation, advertising, maybe intros, videos, e-learning courses, just about anything that has a voice background. So here we are on Fiverr. Just look at these freelancers here that's offering their work, just to prove that there's money in this market. I'm just looking at this lady here, this American female who's advertising voiceovers, and she's done 8,000 of these. Let's have a quick look at this lady. And she charges about $35 for this, for 50 words, which is it's probably only a few minutes long, that, isn't it? Well, she's done 8,000 jobs of these, 8,000 gigs, and so that's probably times $35 is probably about, I don't know, maybe nearly $300,000. So you can see how much money you can make just doing this. This is a lot of work, even for children right the way through to seniors, doing voiceovers, and all over the world, all different languages, so there are very few limitations to this money-making opportunity. But let's get one thing straight, we're not all born with a silver tongue, making us national news readers by birth, but as long as you have the basics of a clear voice, you can develop this with coaching. And if you have like a distinctive accent, and then you can either develop it or you can disguise it. It's your choice. But remember, you are selling your voice, so you want it to be attractive to the masses and not a tight niche where you will get no work. So basically, you can start to get coached to do voiceovers if you were serious about this. Just have a look at this. These are the top artists who had singing lessons. So they had just the basic singing voice, but they've developed it with coaching. So it's the same scenario, really. Celine Dion, Lady Gaga, Michael Jackson, Madonna, Beyonce, Katy Perry, Justin Timberlake. I'm sure the list goes on and on and on and on. So it just shows you how you can develop your voice with training, such as your breathing, that type of thing. I think a lot of them eat sliced green apple before they do their work, before they do the voiceovers, just to clear their throat. I think reading's another good thing as well. You get used to using longer words, just so you know how to pronounce them. As long as you have a clear voice to begin with, then you've got basically a foundation to develop this into a career. So like I say, you could get coached, but I really wouldn't advise this, really. You go to Udemy here, and there are courses here. This is a 2.5 hours on-demand video course to be a voice actor, make a living with your voice. Which is not very expensive for what it is, 68% off. You always get a large percentage off with Udemy. And if you don't get this discount, you can always go to Google, put Udemy discount code, and you'll see all these discounts. But I really wouldn't basically do that. I mean, let's have a look at Fiverr again. And just put voiceover coach. And some of these are quite expensive. Voice coaching. So this chap charges only about $50 for 30 minutes, one lesson. I mean, that's so expensive, isn't it? I really wouldn't advise you do that. I think the best thing for you to do is just go to YouTube and look over the free, like Earl Hall here. He does free voiceover courses.
Hey, just real quick, listen, if you're a coach, an expert,
Let me just delete this.
Clients and you're struggling to grow and wonder how much you should pay for voiceover coaching?
Yeah, so this guy basically does it, gives you it all for free. Lots of tips, which you can get for absolutely nothing. So that's a great way of actually developing your voice for voiceovers. It just gives you an insight into the business, you know, about getting used to microphones and that type of thing. But breathing has got a lot to do with it, really. And like I said, there's probably lots and lots of tips that these voiceover actors can provide for you. But have a look on YouTube just to get some free information. You might get some free coaching on here. And jobs wise, yeah, I would just get. I'd tell you what I would do. I'd just go to agencies once you've developed your voice. I would go once. I would record your voice and then send it to the actual agencies. So, like, obviously, this one's in London because I'm in the UK. Different voiceover companies here, and you could just send off your actual voiceover so they can list you for future work and contact you for future work. So you could, that's the agency. That's one thing you could do, and obviously jobs as well. There's always openings for voiceover jobs, voiceover casting. Join now for free, and voiceover jobs, beginner voiceover. This is in Manchester where I am, and 2 to 20,000 a month. That seems a bit excessive, but like I say, it's there's plenty of work out there. The work is basically constant. It's all over the place, isn't it? Voiceovers, you can see it in advertising and everything, especially online. But these are just great places just to find work. So have a look at Earl Hall here on YouTube, where I'm sure he can find you, give you some good points. There is other people as well who's giving you some tips, 20 voiceover tips. You want to get as much information as you can, and then the other thing you can do is obviously advertise on Fiverr as a freelancer if you wanted to, if you didn't want to chase the work. And like I say, it's a lot of these are doing good money. 365 jobs at minimum, that is over 1,000 jobs. I mean, you can listen to some of these just to get an idea of.
Hi, this is Kelly Cord.
So you can see how clear the voice is.
I've been a professional voiceover artist for over 25 years. My experience.
Yes, you can see basically what people are looking for. And get an example of this. See, there are over 1,000, over 1,000. So there's money to be made in this marketplace. So if you're born with a clearish voice and you can develop the voice, just like these top artists have done with singing lessons, there's no reason why you can't do exactly the same thing and make money doing voiceovers online. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this very quick money making tutorial. Thank you for your time. If you're interested in affiliate marketing, which is basically what I do, then I've done a free course on high ticket affiliate marketing where you can make $1,000 commissions plus. That's basically my area of expertise. Really, I've been doing affiliate marketing for over 20 years now. I've done a free course. You can I'm about 90 minutes long, 4 videos, and you can get that by just clicking on the link in the description of this video. Anyway, thank you again for your time, and I will see you in the next money making video. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.